In the first 10 seconds of looking for a distributor, you will see words like free and unlimited everywhere. These terms are designed to simplify the choice, but they mask the reality of how these companies actually make money. Behind the endless branding, every music distributor on the market operates on one of only 3 underlying billing structures. Here are your options. First, commission, $0 upfront, but a permanent 15 to 30% royalty cut. Next, subscription, a $20 to $60 annual fee, taking 0. Let's test how the commission model operates in the real world with platforms like RootNote or 1RPM. You get immediate global distribution, and you take on absolutely 0 financial risk. This setup fits the hobbyist or the beginner, whose entire catalog is projected to earn less than $200 over 5 years. As this graph shows, for a beginner, a 20% cut is negligible, but success triggers rising costs. As streams grow, the cut increases proportionately. The math breaks down once earnings hit $500 to $800. Beyond that, the permanent cut costs thousands. Signing up for a commission model means you are making a financial bet against your own future success. Then we have the subscription model, popularized by DistroKid. You pay your $20 to $60 annually, and you keep 100% of your streaming payouts. This is built for high-volume release schedules. If you are a producer or a label releasing 40 or more tracks every single year, that flat fee is a significant discount. You secure that discount by accepting infinite dependency. You must pay the recurring fee to keep your music accessible. Now, map this onto a working independent artist. 2 years in, you experience burnout, you get a new job, or you start a family, and you take a hiatus from releasing music. The consequence of that hiatus is immediate. The day you stop paying your annual fee, the distributor removes your entire life's work from all platforms. Under a subscription, you are merely renting server space, and the system penalizes the reality of a normal human life. The final option is the one-time fee model. You pay $7 to $9 per song up front, and you never pay a renewal charge. The immediate friction point is that it requires capital. Dropping a 10-track album will cost you $80 or $90 on day one. The payoff for that upfront cost is permanent catalog security. Your music survives any career hiatus, staying live and continuing to generate royalties even if you take a break for 5 years. But comparing these 3 baseline prices is useless unless you factor in the variables that platforms keep off their main pricing pages. Look at this digital scorecard. Baseline fees seem cheap, but you must add the 20 to 30% cut platforms take from YouTube Content ID. This separate bucket cancels the benefit of a 0% streaming royalty promise. Next, we add the forced currency conversion. If you are an artist outside the United States paying an annual subscription with an international card, you silently lose an extra 2 to 3.5% on foreign exchange fees. Distributors also use high payout thresholds to keep your early earnings locked in their bank accounts rather than releasing them to yours. You can only calculate your true return on investment when you combine the core billing structure with these hidden ecosystem taxes. Selecting the correct plan relies entirely on an honest 5-year projection of your output. This strict decision tree requires answering just 2 definitive questions to find your perfect model. First, will your catalog earn more than $800 over 5 years? If no, follow this path directly to the commission model. When you are completely unproven, surrendering a 20% cut is irrelevant, because 20% of 0 is 0. If the answer is yes, we move to the second critical question. Will you release 40 or more songs a year without a single career break? If you can maintain that pace, map straight to the subscription model. But if the answer is no, meaning you expect steady income but know you will take breaks, you map directly to the one-time fee. The one-time fee is the least marketed model on the internet, yet it mathematically secures the highest long-term return for the vast majority of independent artists. A music distribution plan is a bet on your future self. Make sure you choose the model that will still work for you in the year you cannot afford to pay.